You can also create this kind of videos for free in just 2 minutes. First, open your browser and navigate to Adobe Express. Make sure to join the beta version for the latest features. Once you're there, go to the animation section, which can be found under the Audio tab. At the top of the tool, you'll find various options for characters, backgrounds, and video sizes. Choose the size option that suits your needs. For example, I selected the YouTube 16:9 ratio, which is perfect for online videos. Now, let's talk about characters. Adobe Express offers a wide range of free options, including animals, emojis, foods, and humans. Pick the one that resonates with your content the most and adds the desired touch to your animation. If you want to switch up the background, no worries. Adobe Express provides multiple background options to choose from. Find the one that complements your video and enhances its visual appeal. To add your voice to the animation, you have 2 options. You can either record your voice directly using the built-in recording feature, or you can upload a pre-recorded voiceover from your computer. It's simple and convenient. Now, let the magic begin. Adobe Express will start creating your animation video in just a few seconds. Sit back and watch as your video comes to life. Once the process is complete, your animation video is ready to download. Simply click the download button and save it to your preferred location. That's it for today's video tutorial on creating animation videos with Adobe Express.